Hello, I am Josh Knox. We're doing one more lab here in our PL300 journey. This one is on enforcing row-level security in Power BI. I've got the lab up and running over here, so if you're excited to follow along, let's do that. Let's log in with our password. Get here in our virtual machine. Download the lab files. Oops. Didn't want it to be that big. Do it like this, and then fit the Windows machine. Keep downloading our files. Once we get our green light, we'll go on to our next step. Success. All right, lab story. In this lab, you will enforce row-level security, ensure that a salesperson can only analyze sales data for their assigned region. So we'll learn how to enforce row-level security and choose between a dynamic and a static method. It should only take 20 minutes. We will see. All right, let's get started. Open up Power BI Desktop. By default, the Getting Started dialog box opens in front of Power BI Desktop. Sign in and then close the pop-up. Sounds like a good tip. Then we're going to go to Browse Reports and find our sales analysis file in the starter package. So they said sign in and then close the pop-up. What is sign in? Get started. Okay. Okay. Dual authenticate. Okay, we're signed in. So far, so good. Sometimes that can be touch and go. All right, file, open reports, browse reports, file, open reports. How do I browse reports? What am I looking for? File, open reports, browse reports, file, open, recent. Oh, browse this device. That's what it meant. All right. And then let's get into all files, and we want labs, number 10, row-level security, starter folder, sales analysis. Boom. Now we're making progress. Close any informational windows that may open. Get out of here, informational window. We don't want you. Go. All right, notice warning messages appear beneath the ribbon. Okay, cool. Dismiss things by hitting the X. All right, create a copy of this. Let's save this and put it in the My Solutions folder. We'll apply the changes later. Okay, enforce row level security. We want to switch to the data view. What's that mean? You'll force to ensure a salesperson only see. Okay. The data pane, select the salesperson performance table. The data pane, we see salesperson. This is the data view. So we have when we have report view, table view, model view. So I guess it used to be called the data view. Now it's called the table view, or perhaps vice versa. But just lets us look at the data. So go to salesperson. No, not salesperson. Salesperson performance. Okay. Okay. So this is what we're looking at. We've got an employee key, an ID, salesperson, the title, and their UPN, and then reviewing the data, you notice that Michael Blythe has a UPN value of Michael Blythe, right? I mean, that makes sense. Michael Blythe is Michael Blythe. Yeah. You may recall that he is assigned to 3 regions, US Northeast, US Central, and US Southeast. Did not recall that, but we'll take it on faith. On the Modeling ribbon tab from inside Security Group, select Manage Roles. On the Modeling ribbon tab, modeling, calculations, home, manage relationships. Is that? No, we want to manage roles. Oh, security. So it's not called, well, okay. Why is it called the modeling tab then? It's the home tab. Home on the modeling ribbon tab. But it says home. No. Ho-hum. We want to manage roles here, I think. In the Manage Roles window, select Create. Okay. And in the box, replace the selected text with the name of the role, salespeople, and then press Enter. All right. Salespeople. To assign a filter for the salesperson performance, click the ellipsis, and then add a filter for their UPN. Okay. In the table filter DAX expression, it's this area here, modify the expression by replacing value with user principal name, and then save. I think let's replace this whole thing. User principal name is a DAX data analysis expressions function, a DAX function, a data analysis expression that returns the name of the authenticated user. It means that salesperson performance table will filter by the user principal name of the user querying the model. Okay. To test this, we can then view as XYZ person. Okay. So we save this. We want to apply the changes. I'd assume we want to apply the changes, but maybe not. We'll see. It doesn't say, like, mother may I. We'll apply the changes at the end. So then we can say view as, and Control C, right? View as roles. Okay, in the view as roles, we have none, we have another user, or salespeople. Check the salespeople box. Click OK. Now viewing as salespeople. Okay, so salespeople can't see anything, I guess. Check the cell. Then this configuration results in using the salespeople role and impersonating user with Michael Blythe's name. Oh, that doesn't seem. Stop viewing as them. Let's apply these changes. Okay. What's going on here? Oh, okay. I'm supposed to view as roles and then say as another user and choose to view as Michael. All right, let's try that again. This is why it takes me more than 20 minutes. I want to view it as roles. Select other user and then say Michael Blythe. It says now I'm seeing it as Michael Blythe. Okay, that makes sense. And then see the salespeople role. And notice that it's empty. Okay, so salespeople in general can't see it, but Michael Blythe can. All right, nifty. We get this banner that tells us how we are doing our view. The table visual, notice that only the salesperson, Michael Blythe, is listed. Is that true? Notice the yellow. In the table visual, notice that only the salesperson. Oh, it's supposed to be that if I was viewing as, let's see, Michael Blythe, and then I wanted to see the salesperson's stuff. No. What if I wanted to see sales? You can see everybody, it seems. Why? Now viewing as Michael Blythe. Stop viewing. Let's try it again. View as Michael Blythe in the salespeople role. That's the ticket, maybe. Okay. So that's when I look at. Not a great margin there, Michael, but we'll deal with that later. Okay, so when I see it using the salespeople role and Michael Blythe, that's when I am limited to that. Okay. Manage roles. When prompted from the deletion, delete. Okay, in this task, you'll complete the lab. Select save to end the lab. Congratulations. Okay. Complete post-publication task to map security principles to the salespeople roles. Okay, but you can see how I can use. I've created a role, which is sort of called salespeople, which then limits where the UPN has to be user principal name. So that's and then I can see in the view as how that change affects a given person using that given role. Okay, well that's kind of nifty. We'll end that and come back for more labs later, I guess. Bye. And I guess it only took us 15 minutes, so maybe we're a little bit ahead of the curve. Who knows? I'll catch you next time.